Nice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you didn't yet subscribe to this channel, please click on the red icon, then subscribe it. So in our today's video topic, I will show you the easiest way that you can get M4 Glacier without any UC. Okay, so first thing is first, let's change our character to King Victor. Then as you see, we have to wish. Okay, we have to wish. I wish to have this M4 Glacier. Then we're gonna start sending the airdrop. Okay, so for example, you have to collect 2000 credits. Okay, 2000 or in 1010, like 200 times. Okay, so this will guarantee you, or you can get your M4 Glacier 100%. Okay, so as you see, I didn't get any thing. As you see, my wish level have been increased one times. Okay, I just keep going on like this. So as you see, you will get a lot of chance. Okay, so you can see now, just start. But first thing is first, as you know, you have to what, you have to collect a crate. Okay, this crate will make you guarantee you M4 Glacier. You don't need anything. Okay, anything else, just send randomly, you will get your M4. So guys, as your wish level increase, you will get your M4 Glacier. Okay, so what we have to do, as I said before, we have to collect. Okay, collect just for one season. So maybe if you collect one season, this creator, you will get the M4. Maybe you will get in your first luck. Okay, so but if you will get a guaranteed M4 Glacier, your wish level have to be like 5, level 5. Okay, so that means it's around 2000 creator, or like by 10 200 times. Okay, so I just collected in one season, as you can see from the achievement and from other RP and other places. So as you can see, I just, it's really amazed me when I just get this M4 Glacier. So thank you PUBG. I've been playing like 3 years and I didn't have any upgradable guns, so maybe this is my best chance so far. So this is really amazing. Okay, you will get for sure. Okay, just don't give up, just keep collecting. Okay, keep collecting the character, the creators. Okay, so I think the Victor is not okay this time, he may be sick. Okay, so let's change our character. Then we, no, no. Oh. So as you see, I am on the wish level like 4.5. The maximum the wish level is 5. Okay, level 5. No, now I am at 4.5. Okay, so as you see, only 15 chance have been so far. So እንግዲህ እንደምታዩት ነው፣ አታስቸግሩ። So there is no luck. You see guys, I just sent 200 times and didn't get even one single mythic fashion clothes. So just two left, only two left. Okay, so again, oh my goodness, you see, PUBG, you see. So let's go one last time, one last time. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Thank you, PUBG. Thank you so much. You see, guys, I told you, you will get M4 Glacier for sure. Okay, for sure, you will get it. Okay, just collect it, then send it. So I am really happy for this. So you see, it is my first upgrade weapon. So thank you PUBG, love you guys. Just if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support me. Maybe we will do some other stuff another times. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Let's try another time. Oh, I love you PUBG now. I just love you now. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much. See you on my next videos.